Did you know that mandarins are not only a delicious winter treat but also packed with nutrients that can support your health? From boosting immunity to aiding digestion, mandarins offer a lot more than just a sweet taste. But are there any risks to eating them? In today's video, we'll explore the benefits, potential downsides, and the best ways to enjoy mandarins. Stick around for a quick and tasty mandarin recipe at the end. Let's start with the benefits of mandarins. One of the biggest advantages is their high vitamin C content. Just one mandarin provides about 30 to 40% of your daily vitamin C needs, which helps boost immunity, fight off colds, and protect cells from damage. Mandarins are also rich in antioxidants like beta-carotene, which supports eye health and reduces inflammation. These antioxidants can also help slow down signs of aging by protecting skin cells from oxidative stress. Another great benefit of mandarins is their fiber content. Eating mandarins with the white fibers attached provides a good amount of dietary fiber, which supports digestion, prevents constipation, and can even help regulate blood sugar levels. Furthermore, mandarins contain folate, potassium, and small amounts of B vitamins, which together support heart health, brain function, and energy production. While mandarins have plenty of health benefits, there are a few things to keep in mind. One of the main concerns is their acidity. Mandarins are quite acidic, which can lead to heartburn or worsen acid reflux for some people. Another thing to watch for is their natural sugar content. Although the sugar in mandarins is natural, eating too many can cause blood sugar spikes, especially for people with diabetes or those watching their sugar intake. Finally, while rare, some people may have a citrus allergy. If you experience any tingling or swelling around your mouth after eating mandarins, it could be a mild allergic reaction. So, how can you enjoy mandarins while maximizing their benefits? Here are some simple tips. First, try to eat mandarins whole, including the white fibers. These fibers are packed with nutrients and help slow down sugar absorption. Second, pair mandarins with a protein or healthy fat, like nuts or yogurt, to balance blood sugar and make a more satisfying snack. Finally, use mandarins as a natural sweetener in salads or smoothies for a fresh, zesty twist. Mandarins are versatile and can be enjoyed in so many ways, from a quick snack to an ingredient in more complex recipes. In summary, mandarins are a delicious, vitamin-rich fruit that boosts immunity, supports heart health, and aids digestion. Just be mindful of their acidity and sugar content if you have acid reflux or are managing blood sugar. How do you like to enjoy your mandarins? Let me know in the comments below. And as promised, here's a quick recipe. Try a mandarin and spinach salad with toasted almonds and a light vinaigrette for a refreshing and healthy dish. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell for more health tips and food breakdowns. See you next time!